Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Teach Marky U. For this video, I'm going to show you the answers in your activity sheet number 1, which is about law of inertia and law of acceleration. Let us now begin. Question number 1, what is Newton's first law of motion? The correct answer is law of inertia. Question number 2, which among the images below shows that force is not involved? The correct answer is this one. Question number 3. The resistance of an object to any change in its motion is blank. The correct answer is inertia. Question number 4. According to blank, an object at rest will stay at rest, or an object in motion will stay in motion and travel in a straight line as long as no external net force acts on it. The correct answer is law of inertia. Question number 5. Why does the picture below show balanced force? The correct answer is because the magnitude of force is equal in size and opposite in direction. Question number 6. It refers to the force applied on one direction which is greater than the force applied in opposite direction. The correct answer is unbalanced force. Question number 7. According to Newton's second law of motion, the acceleration of an object equals the net force acting on the object divided by the object's blank. The correct answer is mass. Question number 8. What is this statement referred to? When forces act in the same direction, they combine to make a bigger force. The correct answer is combining forces. Question number 9. A 2 kg object accelerated at 5 meters per second squared. The net force needed to accelerate the object is blank. The correct answer is 10 newtons. Question number 10. How many forces are acting on the box? The correct answer is 3 forces. Question number 11. Use the image below to answer the question. When these two boys hit the ball at the same time, in what direction will the ball go? The correct answer is right. Question number 12. What is the net force acting on the box? The correct answer is 0 newton. Question number 13. What is the net force acting on the box, and in what direction will the box move? The correct answer is 11 newtons going to the right. Question number 14. What does Newton's second law of motion state? The correct answer is the net force of an object is equal to the product of its mass and acceleration. Question number 15. What is the acceleration of the car if it has a force of 2,000 newtons and a mass of 20 kilograms? The correct answer is 100 meters per second per second. Question number 16. Study the acceleration due to gravity below. What can you conclude about it? The correct answer is acceleration due to gravity is always the same regardless of its differences in mass. Question number 17. Which of the following is the SI unit of force? The correct answer is Newton. Question number 18. Which of the following statements is true? The correct answer is if mass remains constant, doubling the acceleration doubles the force. Question number 19. The acceleration of the object is blank proportional to the force and blank proportional to the mass. The correct answer is directly and inversely. Question number 20. What acceleration will result when a 12 newtons net force is applied to a 3 kilogram object? The correct answer is 4 meters per second per second. Finally, this ends this video presentation. If your score is 11 or above, congratulations. If your score is 10 or below, it means that you have to study again our lesson about law of inertia and law of acceleration. Thank you for listening.